Alright folks, picture this. You're out in the middle of nowhere, dirt on your boots, sun beating down, and you realize your gear setup just isn't cutting it. You're missing shade, clean water, a quick recovery option, maybe even a solid night's sleep off the ground. That's where the ultimate bed rack overlanding setup comes in. A system built for real-world adventure, not Instagram glamour. I've tested and dug through reviews of each piece of gear so you don't have to. Everything I'm about to show you has been chosen for durability, practicality, and smart design. And hey, all the product links are down below in the video description, so you can grab them if you're ready to upgrade your setup. Let's kick it off from the back. The Necaces pressurized water tank. This baby's your mobile shower and gear rinse station, all packed into a lightweight aluminum shell. With a 50-inch length and room for roughly 37 liters of water, it keeps you clean no matter how dusty the trail. It heats naturally under sunlight, so you get warm water without using electricity. Dual outlets, high pressure, up to 450 kilopascals, and stainless hardware mean this tank is built for abuse. Just remember you'll need your own air pump for pressurizing. A solid win for every off-road rig. Next up, the all-top awning shower room, your mobile privacy suite. It pops open to give you about 11 square feet of enclosed space. Made from blackout ripstop fabric that blocks shadows and sunlight. The removable roof keeps you cool or gives you open sky when you want it. There's even a built-in LED strip, shower head mount, and drainage mat, all tucked neatly into a weatherproof PVC awning bag. It installs easily on most roof racks with the included hardware and comes with a solid 2-year warranty. Moving on, the OVS HD Nomadic Awning. This thing is an absolute monster. 270 degrees of shade and over 120 square feet of coverage. Rain or shine, it's got your back. The polycotton ripstop material is tough as nails and fully waterproof with heat-sealed seams. No poles, no stress. Swing it open, lock it down, and you're chilling in seconds. Folds back up into a thick PVC cover when you're done. OVS even backs it with a 4-year warranty. It's basically your mobile porch for every overland trip, holding that beastly awning in place. The Rhino XVenture gear mount is a tough, purpose-built accessory that locks your gear securely to the bed racks. Designed to mount the XVenture hard case medium box, 18-inch, this mount delivers that perfect factory fit without drilling or cutting, clean, solid, and built to last. Made in North America and backed by a 5-year warranty, it's a prime example of Rhino's fit, function, and style philosophy. Built tough for trail use, it also includes a lock loop so you can hang a padlock and secure the case against theft. Now for the quick release shovel holder. Small, but essential. This bad boy fits almost anywhere. Your bed rack, roof rack, even mall panels or trailers. It's adjustable for tool handles between 0.79 and 1.97 inches in diameter. Perfect for shovels, axe, or rakes. Made from fiberglass reinforced nylon, it's stronger than rubber and can hold up to 40 pounds. Plus, it's got an anti-theft lock with stainless steel and a silicone cover to keep dirt and rain out. With this setup, you can lock down your shovel and axe nice and secure. No worries about some sticky-fingered dude snatching them at a campsite or parking lot. Then we've got Pelican vault long cases. Think bomb-proof storage for your sensitive gear. Cameras, rifles, tools. Whatever you don't want crushed or soaked, it goes in here. These cases are made from high-impact polymer with push-button latches, stainless lock hasps, and weather-resistant seals. Inside, you've got foam. You can cut to fit your gear perfectly. The dimensions give you plenty of room, but it's still manageable at about 22 pounds. Pelican's vault line is all about rugged protection without breaking the bank. Fuel security is next. The Rotopax gasoline pack. Made in the USA, this isn't your average jerry can. It's rotationally molded for maximum strength and 0 leaks, meeting EPA and CARB standards. The gasketed cap seals tight, and the modular design means you can stack or extend packs using Rotopax mounts. Just remember to vent it daily if you're changing altitudes or temps. That's the trade-off for a truly airtight system. A lot of folks grab the 4-gallon gasoline pack because it's like $20 cheaper. But man, tons of people complain that it starts leaking fuel after a while. So honestly, you're better off getting two 2.5-gallon cans instead. They'll cost a bit more, but they'll last you way longer and save you the headache. For those stuck in the mud moments, the X-Bull recovery traction boards have your back. Each board is nearly 42 inches long, made from fiber-reinforced nylon that won't crack even at minus 20 degrees Celsius. The raised teeth grip your tires. The ramped ends help you slide under easily, and they can handle up to 10 tons of pressure. Whether it's snow, sand, or mud, these boards will save your trip and your sanity. Every serious setup needs lifting power, and the high-lift 48-inch jack is an off-roading icon. Cast iron construction, a rated load of 4,660 pounds, and a tested capacity over 7,000 pounds. It can lift, clamp, pull, or winch. It's like the Swiss Army knife of trail recovery tools. With over a century of proven design, you know this jack's got your back when things get real out there. And don't forget to snag a high-lift jack mount too. That way you can bolt it right onto your roof rack or bed rack. Finally, the heart of your overlanding home, the SmittyBilt Overland Tent XL. This rooftop tent is made for comfort and quick setup. Sleeps up to 4 people. Comes with a king-size bed pad, built-in LED lighting, aluminum ladder, and heavy-duty waterproof fabric. The 420 denier Oxford Rainfly and 600 denier ripstop polyester body keep you dry in rough weather, while the aluminum frame and 770-pound weight limit ensure solid support. Everything folds neatly into a PVC cover when you're ready to roll. So there you have it, the ultimate overlanding bed rack setup. From shade and showers to recovery and storage, this rig has it all dialed in. Each component plays its part to keep you comfortable, safe, and ready for anything off-road life throws your way. If you want to check out any of the products featured in this video, all the links are right down below in the description. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews, overland builds, and real-world adventure tips. Catch you on the next trail, folks.